Hey, it's Charlie. We're trying to remove the string that's too big for this Craftsman 25cc weed whacker. So what I did is I took a nail, and it's too big. It wouldn't feed because it's too big. This is a nail and it's almost as big as this nail, but not quite. Anyway, it's a bump head, right? TM, I guess TM means it's patented in some way. Anyway, it's got this, I stuck this nail down in here and pulled the string out and then unwound it. So I did the same thing on this other side. Stuck this nail down in here, right underneath it, then got the string out and then it popped out, right? I forgot how to pull the head off of it. Anyway, the string is too big. I bought it at a hardware store and it's got these edges on it. It's shaped like a star shaped. And so it quit feeding. I mean, it just won't feed. So it's too big, I guess. Anyway, I bought the smallest string trim line I could find. Right. Oh, I'm still pulling off line. Okay. Right. I gotta put a knot on this one. This is the one I'm trying to pull out. That way I can identify which one is which. Okay. Oh, this is the original one. This is one off the top. Okay, alright, I'm gonna forget about this one. Here we go. One with the knot. This is one that I'm trying to pull off. Yeah, this is good. That's one on the bottom. Yep, it's this one. I forgot how to change this, how to pull the head off too, which makes this even more interesting. There's nothing online that covers how to pull the head off. I think I put too much on here to begin with, but this string is just never really fed too well anyway, so uh-oh, it just came loose. Okay. Anybody want some free string? It's still good. It might work on a different model. Okay, that's it. So maybe that'll assist me in pulling this head off. Trying to remember how this frickin' thing came off. Let's see. I pushed down and turned. Does it come off? No, that's not it. Maybe the string has to be not on it. Maybe it has to be absent of string. Oh, it has to be absent of string. Okay. Anyway, you like push down. I thought it was going to come off there, but it didn't. I wonder why not. Oops. I thought it was about to come off. Okay. It's got these weird notches in here when you push it in and rotate it. There's a notch or something. Anyways. Now what? Yeah, it didn't notch out. Hey, it just notched again. I don't know why it's notching. Oh, it's two notches there. No, that ain't it. Yeah, there's 4 holes in the back of it. I have no idea what they're for. Oh, a nail just came out. Oh, it really. So there's an arrow that says bump head. Well, you don't turn it, apparently. Maybe there's a tab down on there somewhere. This is weird. How come it... How did I do this? Good grief. Is there a hole in this to stick through? No. Okay. You stick my nail under that. Okay, now it's stuck. Now it's got a nail in the head. Now what? Does it rotate off or something? No? That didn't help any. Sheesh whiz. I'm feeling kind of impotent here. Like, I don't know how to do this. How long has that been? Yeah, there's no tabs on the outside, just grass. No tabs. No holes. No tabs. There's a gap here where the string goes in. I guess you're not supposed to, huh? Yeah, what do you do now? Great, let me go get the string. See what I can do. See, this is 2.4 millimeter round string. Round string, not star shaped. Round. Let's see what happens if I just stick it through here. Sorry, Charlie, no dice. What if I just said to heck with it and just frickin'... Oh, here's an idea. Oh, I don't know how that happened. Just came out. Look at that. Great. See, isn't this supposed to... put a knot in it and then stuff it in there? You know, like like this. Like this, and then just no, that ain't gonna work because the line's gotta feed outward, and this would be going over it. do 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 do. Gosh. Craftsman bumphead rewinding string.
Here are some pictures that match.
Baloney. Oh look, Sears parts. Oh wow. It's the manual. Joy, I found the manual. Remove the spool by firmly pulling on the tap button. Clean entire surface of hub and spool. Replace with pre-wound spool or cut a length of 30 feet diameter. Remove the spool by firmly pulling on the tap button. Oh, where's my nail at? That ought to help with that. Oh, really? Aha.